This year we are having the children parade and the adult parade at the same time. Mm-hmm. The adult parade would start about 10 a.m. in the area from LB Scott Road, that's close to St. John's, and make its way onto the Bush Road. And onto the Bush Road, it would tagged up with a kids parade, and they would head towards Phillipsburg. Everything in order, we had all the plans up and ready for all the safety aspects, and up to now we're up to date on everything as the time goes. We have about, it's not only from the police force, we also have help from the members of the Vrijwillige Corps of St. Maarten also. Mm-hmm. So we have a contingency plan. Normally we don't say the amount of officers working, but we have more than enough to handle the parade this year. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And it goes back to our strategy of being prepared for the worst, but expect the best. Even with COVID, this is something that most of the population was waiting for. Carnival is also one of those time of the year where a lot of the public distresses themselves. So it was well needed for the population of the island also. And from our police point of view, it's been a very, very one of the safest carnivals we had. We have very little issues for this parade up to now, for the carnival up to now. Pedianaki knows the population is the Maarten, up and running culture e preparação para o último laatste dia na carnaval. Nós tínhamos uma visita toch para outra isla and depois feita também nós está contento. Carnaval na Maarten tabata, muito tranquilo ainda. Met de bisa que a população que tem o visita anto solis Maarten mes, bancaba com bem. Nós está de mesteje, semana de mesteje, anto paturene nan ko tekinang na visita, van celebrar na final. Thank you.
I'm moving up with me, family, with me, family, when we come to we mash up front, turn up dance, we like a harmony.